So, as you may have heard, the iPhone 4 has a little issue with its antenna, or at least some of the devices do. Maybe not all of them, but at least some of them do, and mine happens to be one. So today what I'm going to do is just a quick little Scotch tape hack, which is something that will prevent you from spending $30 on a hot pink bumper when you could really just put some awesome Scotch tape on it. Now I know what you're saying is when people ask you about your new iPhone and ask you what the hell that tape is on the side, you can just tell them it's because iPhones are awesome and Apple never makes mistakes. But no, seriously, this is just seriously supposedly some devices, not all of them, confirmed, not all of them. But regardless, I have the issue. So what I'm going to do is put some Scotch tape on the side. Now I'm going to line up the edges and I use kind of a nice little size, kind of, larger than you might think, just so that I can guarantee that I'm not going to bridge the sockets by having a really fat finger. Alright. Trying to make it as least shitty looking as possible. Actually, at this point, or maybe before, you may have wanted to make two pieces of tape that are equal length. That way, when you're doing this, they match up. Because you're going to want two layers as opposed to just one, because two layers seems to not do the trick. Or one layer seems to not do the trick. I'm going to put my second layer on here. This is almost just as fun as putting on a screen protector. Oh, just happened to get the tape perfect lengths. So now I've got a little flap, obviously, but what I'm going to do is just rip it off. I want to say that using a business card or a credit card or something may be beneficial to kind of hold the edge and then just rip along the line so you can get hopefully a perfect little stitch. Almost perfect. And there you go. Nice little Scotch tape hack. And I did have the issue before. And you can see, there we go, sorry, you can see the full bars, and I'll go ahead and hold it there with my finger where it previously made it crap out. Give it some time because it doesn't do it instantly. Yeah, seems to be good so far. Full bars, a little bit of Scotch tape. Awesome. Yeah, either this, a case, hot pink bumper, or just avoid that area. But for me, for right now, double layer Scotch tape, full reception, sounds good.